Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught with The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County, northwestern Hancock County, northeastern Marion County, southeastern Boone County, southern Hamilton County, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Zionsville, or 13 miles north of Indianapolis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Greenfield, Zionsville, Westfield, McCordsville, Pendleton, Fortville, Ingalls, Meridian Hills, Williams Creek, Geist Reservoir, and Castleton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 220. Interstate 70 between mile markers 100 and 105. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hamilton, Hancock, Madison, and Marion.